Welcome to our YouTube channel. As you can see from the title of this video, we will be showing you how to install the FMT200 tracker. With that being said, let's get straight into it. First, loosen the nuts using a wrench or a nut spinner tool. Then ensure that the black wire is connected to the negative of the battery, and make sure the connection is secure. There should be no debris or grip between the connection. Then do the same with the red wire, connecting it to the positive terminal of the battery. Once you have completed both these steps, you can open the casing and see red and blue lights. If you do not, this means your device has no power. When both of the lights are solid, you are good to go. After, you can follow the activation process and stick down the device with the lights facing towards the sky. If you need more help on the activation process, please see our other videos.